Hello, my name is Mary Leno. Nice to be here. I'm an email copywriter, and I love to help you with your emails. And the reason why we're doing this series is because I'm showing you how even a crappy email, we haven't even gotten to the body of the email, but even a crappy email that it's just terrible. The way you wrote it, you're not happy, whatever, it's fine. It's gonna happen. But when you pay attention to these small details, you're going to make sure that even if you have an email like that, it will still have high open rates. So the first thing we talked about in the first video was the subject line. And then the second thing that we talked about in the previous video was the sender name, making sure that the sender name is familiar. Now, I'm going to talk to you about something that not a lot of people use and that you don't always have to use, but it's going to help you if you need to improve your open rates, okay? So that is using the preview text. And what is the preview text? Well, it kind of works as a secondary subject line, or if you don't include a preview text, it's going to be the first line of the email. And you can use that when your first line is not as enticing. So for example, you come up with the body of the copy of the body of your email, and you think that the first line can be improved. You think that they need to get more information in order for them to open the email. The subject line is great. You work through that. Your headline is amazing. But this is like another line that you get, which is, it follows the subject line and it's very short. And if it doesn't exist, your email service provider is usually going to include the first line of the email. So you want to pay attention to that because it's another way to get people to open up your emails. So for example, you can say your subject line is, are you ready for this? And then your preview text can be like, I'm opening up just a few more spots to my program. Something like that, that gives you just a little bit more information, but something that is going to get you to open up your email, okay? So there you have it, 3 ways that you can make sure that you have high open rates, even if you think that your email is not good enough. If you focus on those 3 things, you're still gonna have high open rates. Again, my name is Mary Leno, email copywriter. If you want to talk to me about your email campaigns, let me know. I'm here for you. And these are 3 ways that you can use to make sure that your emails have high open rates. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.